Hello, my name is Keshwani. That's Keshwani, Keshwani. We are here because we want to prepare for GRE. We have been solving GRE math problems out of this book here, the official guide to the revised GRE, the second edition. If you do not own this book already, purchase it immediately. You're going to need it. The problem that we are about to solve is the one that you would find on page number 244. Please turn to it. Page number 244, and today is our lesson number 355. These problems that you see there on page number 244 are the exact same problems that appeared in the first edition of the revised GRE. We have already solved every single problem from this book. If you're interested in watching the original solution, you will find the original solution to the problem on day number 149. Problem number 14, the very last problem, is what we're about to do here. Here's what's going on in this problem. We are told that we have two cars that are traveling in the opposite directions for exactly 2 hours. It says two cars started from the same point and traveled on a straight line course in the opposite direction for exactly 2 hours. At which point they were 208 miles apart. At the end of 2 hours, we were told that they were 208 miles apart. We were also told if one car traveled on average 8 miles per hour faster than the other, one traveled 8 miles per hour faster than the other. The question simply is, what were their respective speeds? So let's get going, shall we? First thing we have to do is call these, give these cars name. We're going to call them cars A and B so that it's easier to talk about it instead of talking about first car and second car. Let's call them A and B. So let the speed of car A be A miles per hour. So small letter A and B are their name, and the capital letter is a number, whatever speed that it was going at. That implies if car A was going at A miles per hour, that implies that car B must have gone at A plus 8 miles per hour. The average speed of car B must have been A plus 8 miles per hour, because we are told that it is going 8 miles faster than the other. Now tell me, if this car is going 10 miles an hour and this car is going 18 miles an hour, how far apart are they getting each hour? If this guy is going 10 miles an hour and this guy is going 18 miles an hour, at every hour they're getting 28 miles apart. On the other hand, if this guy is going 30 miles an hour, and this guy, in which case this guy will go 38 miles an hour, at the end of each hour they are 68 miles apart. In our case, at the end of 1 hour, this tells us this tells us that they are getting apart. They're getting apart from each other at the rate of 2 times A plus 8 miles per hour. Why 2 times A? Because it's going to be A plus A. If this guy is traveling at 30 miles an hour, then this guy is going to go 30 plus 8. So the total speed at which they are getting apart from each other is 30 plus 30, or 2 times 30 plus 8. 2 times A plus 8 miles apart. That's how far apart they're going. We are told that in the matter of 2 hours, we are told that in the 2 hours that they have traveled, they are 208 miles apart. So let's pick up our story from there, on the top. At the end of 2 hours, they are 208 miles apart. So they're getting apart at this speed per hour, 2A plus 8 miles per hour. We are told that they have traveled 208 miles in 2 hours. We are told that in 2 hours they were at the end of 2 hours they were 208 miles apart. If they were if they travel 208 miles in 2 hours, that implies that they must have traveled 104 miles in 1 hour, because they were 208 miles apart in 2 hours, which means at the end of 1 hour they must have been 104 miles apart in 1 hour. But we also know that in 1 hour, this is how far apart they are. So now all we have to do is equate these two quantities. 2a plus 8 must equal 104. That's all. So that implies, therefore, this means therefore, 2a plus 8 must equal 104. Because that's how far apart they are at the end of 1 hour. This part tells us that this guy is going a miles an hour, the other one is going a plus 8. In 1 hour they're going to be 2a plus 8 miles apart. From this we gather that if they are 208 miles apart in 2 hours, in 1 hour they must have been 104 miles apart. That's all. All we have to do is now solve for it. That's all it is. Very simple, very straightforward. Subtract 8 from both sides and we get 2a is equal to 104 minus 10 would have been 94, so this is going to be 96. Divide both sides by 2 and we find that a is going to be equal to 100 divided by 2 would have been 50, so this is going to be 48. A is 48 and that implies that B must have been 48 plus 8 or 56. A was going at 48 miles an hour, B was going at the rate of 56 miles an hour. I'll see you tomorrow, okay? Bye now.